This is a wonderful home in the Cherry Plaza community of Cambrian. Nicely upgraded, the kitchen has granite counters and updated cabinetry. The floors downstairs are a beautiful and durable laminate. Upstairs the floors are quite soft carpet. The windows are dual pane and have wooden blinds. The paint is two-tone for a more homey feel. The unit sits back off the street, giving it a lovely front yard and more privacy. This wonderful 2-bedroom 1-bath home is priced to sell at $170,000.